Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom wrappers for the 1.79 ounce Twix candy bar. We're going to be working over on Canva. I'm going to be sharing with you the template measurements. I'm going to create a design, print, and assemble. So make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you find the video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Stay tuned. Guys, so we're going to be working over on Canva. The first thing you want to do is log into your account. If you haven't created a free account already, you can create one. After you log in, we want to go to custom size. We want to make sure it's in inches, and we want our page size to be 11 by 8.5 and select create a new design. Once our blank page is pulled up, now we want to create our template. We're going to head on over to elements, scroll down to shapes, and we're going to select our box here. And we're going to resize it to the size that we need. Here are the measurements for the template. So now that we have our template created, what I like to do is make a duplicate copy of this template. That way when I need to create a new design, I always have a fresh new template. Now, as you can see, we can click on each section of this template to change it. Now, this bottom piece, we want to remember that we don't want to put anything here. It's going to be used for gluing only. To add text, you can click the text tab here. Select any of these options. If you wanted to change the font style, you can click up here. Canva has a lot of free fonts for you to choose from. You can choose any of these. You see a font with a gray crown on side of it, like this one. It's only available for free if you have the Pro edition of Canva. If you don't have a Pro account, if you add this style font to your design, you will be asked to pay for it for being able to download your design. Next, you can head on over to your upload tab and upload any clip arts or images to use in your design. You could also use some of Canva's free elements, but again, remember, any elements that has this little gray crown on the side of it is only available for free when you have the Pro edition of Canva. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Everything has already been pre-made and set up for you. I have also included a birthday nutrition facts label, and I also included the Twix logo. So to use this, I would make a duplicate copy so that you can always have one on this page here. You just carry this over to your first page, and you're gonna resize it to fit. Again, you can click on each section of the template to change it. I have already blocked out this section. That way you don't accidentally add anything here. And this is going to be used for gluing. Now we can get to the fun part and create a design. I'm going to create a design, print, and assemble. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to be printing my labels out on glossy photo paper. You can actually use any copy paper that you have, but for best results, I recommend using the glossy photo paper or the brochure paper. Now, when you're using any type of glossy paper, more than likely you will have to go into your printer settings and adjust it to the type of paper that you're using to prevent the ink from coming off of the paper and not drying completely. So if you're having that issue, you may need to adjust your printer settings. So for my particular printer, which is a HP Envy, I have to go in and I have to select my paper type. I have to select photo paper or glossy paper. And when it comes to my print quality, it needs to be set to best. Now I'm ready to print, and even with the black ink under these settings, I have no issue with the ink coming off of the paper. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you all found it helpful. If you would like to continue to see more videos like these, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. You can find the links to all the materials that I use in the description box down below. If you're interested in a pre-made version of this template, you can find that link down below also. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye.